Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time to be here, thank you so much for clicking this video, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and the support. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Penninah the Grace. You are welcome in the home of grace. In this channel, I share my life journey as a housemaid. So kindly press on that red button that says subscribe, click on the bell so that next time when I'll be uploading another video, you will get notified. So guys, today I've decided to show you my room tour, okay? So as you can see, here is just outside the room, okay? So that is the door coming, let me say the gate coming inside, okay? So at that corner whereby you see that the broom has been, I've kept a broom there, okay? Where there are those switches, there used to be my door, the door to my room. So it was changed. So when it was changed, this is now the position where it is. So like I've shown you now, the whole house is being renovated, and that's why everything is being changed. So let's go inside. So the first thing that you will notice in my room when you come in, you will see the bed. But before you see the bed, the first thing that will pass at the door before you go to the bed, you will see there a heater. This is everything, guys. This is everything, especially this time whereby there is a lot of cold. This is a lifesaver, okay? It is a lifesaver. So you can see that is my mirror, and that is where I've arranged all my stuff. So you can see that is the best that I can do, because and there is my water and the cup, and I normally use that cup because I normally drink hot water as well. So because I don't want so many things in my room, I always use one cup. So guys, as you can see, that green part that I'm showing you over there, that is where the door used to be before it was changed where it is right now, okay? So that was the door, so you could come in over that corner, but right now it has been changed. So guys, this is how my room has been arranged. As you can see, the house is being renovated. So in my rooms, I can just say, like, the few rooms that I've been having, it has been always like this, very full. Like, it has never have space. Like, every room that I've been using, even if I'm sharing with the children, I've never have an empty room. But I thank God for everything. For this room now, I can say it is the best of all. This is the room that is the best. So all the stuffs have been put there, and which is just okay with me. Oh guys, as you can see, that is my expensive bag. That is my expensive bag that I that is my expensive bag, guys. Maybe one day I'll tell you the story about it, okay? So as you can see, the heater now is on. Guys, I'm feeling too much cold, so when I'm inside my room, I always do that, keep it on. Like, when I'm inside, it is on, but when I go outside, I must switch it off. So like right now, you see, I'm seated there, and now I'm trying to heat my legs. They are really freezing. It is freezing. Hey. So that is the door, guys. It has not been made already, it is just there. So we're waiting for the painters to come and paint now the whole room. Yeah, like I told you before, the whole house is being renovated. So guys, let's go to a very important place. Okay, just ignore anything that you see outside here. Just ignore, because it is outside. It is not even inside the house, okay? My room is outside. So that's the first thing, was sink, and now this is my washroom. I always love it when I have my own washroom, guys. I really appreciate this. I don't know what I can say. I'm so happy, and my water is always hot, and yeah, I don't like sharing my washroom. So having something like this one, whereby you are just having your own washroom, you just thank God for everything, guys. Like I told you before, this is the best thing ever that ever happened to me in Saudi Arabia. I was like sharing everything, like rooms, toilet, I share, but this one is the best of all. So as you can see, there is where I do line my clothes after washing them. I normally come and line them over this line. Yeah, back to my room, and you can see outside. Yeah, outside. My room is just outside. It's separated somehow with the house. It is separated. So like I said, I used to have some funny places to sleep. Like that place you see right there, that is where I used to sleep before. Down on the floor, one blanket, it is your mattress, and it is your cover as well, with one pillow. So that is where I used to sleep, and we used to share this room. This is children's room, so they used to sleep on bed, and I downside down there. But I thank God for everything. Everything happens for reasons. So keep watching. So this one, guys, this one too is another room where I used to sleep, and I'm telling you, my rooms are always full with things. I'll ever never find a room whereby it's just a room without full of stuff. So as you can see, today, let me say, in this day, I was like packing and changing everything because this room was just next to the laundry corridor. Let me say they are just together. This my room where I used to sleep was just together with the laundry room, and there you can see the deep fries as well, and now those small drawers yeah, where I used to put my clothes. So I removed everything because the water, hey, oh my god, this room was full with water. So I removed everything, like to drain, to wash everything, and to change everything, to put everything in order again. Keep watching.